everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who are observant, you will probably see that this is not my normal background. I've in fact now moved back to Bournemouth. I'm sure most of you are probably already aware of that. But yeah, I'm finally here today with my room tour for this year. I'm really excited to film this. I have wanted to film this for so long, but I've just been so busy. Like there's been so much going on since I moved back to Bournemouth that some stuff I've not been able to tell you guys about yet, and I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to really soon. We also didn't have internet for the first like 2 weeks, so it seemed pointless filming and uploading a video when there was no internet basically. So yeah, I've also been trying to get my room exactly how I want it. Without further ado, I'm going to get straight into this room tour. I'm so excited to be back, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so I guess all good room tour videos start at the door. This is my door, very boring. I just have a few of my jackets and my mini ears because I wanted my room to have a touch of Disney but nothing crazy. So yeah, I just have my mini ears up there. You never know when you might need them. Also have my dressing gown, which is from Topshop, and it is the fluffiest thing in the world. I also have this blue cable running across my door, which please ignore that, it's so ugly, I'm very aware. But we only have one plug in the whole room, so my dad had to fit an extension cable like all the way across and down and around my wardrobe. So that is that. Speaking of wardrobe, this is my wardrobe. It is huge. It's not completely full because I literally did not realise how big it would be. I keep my suitcase up there just in case I need it because you never know, I like to go places. Again, on my wardrobe I just have these little hearts which I had on my room in my room last year on my mirror. They were on my mirror. Here's my mirror. But yeah, they just look better up there and they kept falling off my mirror. So yeah, I've also got this little thing on my door which my parents got me last year. If it wants to. There you go. Yeah, I won't open my wardrobe because it is a mess, but yeah, it's big, so that's great. Next up we have my wardrobe. My wardrobe, that's my wardrobe. This is my mirror. And me, hi. I've stuck some photos and things around my mirror, which just makes it look really cute. And next to my mirror we have my bedside table, which kind of looks a bit messy, but what can you do? This lamp is from Dunelm. I don't know if they still sell it, but I got it last year. This print here I actually drew myself. I'm just going to shout that out because it's so cute. I really want to get a frame for it, but I haven't yet found one that's the right size. I then just keep both pairs of my glasses on my bedside table so I can get to them easily, and a Carmex because I need it, and a coaster which is from a brand that I'm going to talk about in a little bit, but yeah. I also have this little Mickey Mouse keyring that my friend Beth bought me, just on my desk because yeah. Next up is my bed. This is my favourite part of my whole room. Like, this is so cute, look at it. The bedding is white with grey stars on and it's from Asda. I do have another set of bedding which is white with like plants, like fake plants all over it, and I love it. These fairy lights are just from Primark. I blue tacked them to the side. They do keep falling down though, which is so annoying. The exposure is probably going to hate this, but my window is actually like a skylight window, which I think is so cool. Like, it makes my room look so bright, and yeah, I just really like it. I won't show you this area too much because it is an actual mess, but it just have my ironing board, my wash basket, my airer, and like a shopping bag down there, and then some folders tucked away behind here. This cupboard I can't actually get into, it's locked, but we say it's like a hobbit hole, and there's also some balloons down there because it was Beth's birthday the other day. So yeah, this is my desk area. I love this so much. I'm so proud of this area. Again, ignore the mess down there. That's just my printer and my bin, which needs emptying, classic. So I'll start over here. I just have my pen pots. I have my Radio 1 mug, which has my like Sharpies in, my Heinz Beans Spuds can thing, which just has highlighters and a few more pens in, and my chip mug, which I just keep my SD card reader and my SD cards in there when it's not in this camera. I did actually film like a whole pack with me video, like moving back to uni vlog, which was on my SD card, but my SD card broke, so I don't have any of that footage anymore, hence why you've not seen any of it, and hence why it's just like a room tour with no like context. I also then just have this other coaster, and what I'm going to talk about is this little thing right here. So this is from a brand called Studio, and if I just open them up, they are just these wireless headphones, and I keep these on my desk because I normally plug them into, like, well, don't plug them in, but use them with my Mac whenever I'm doing work and things. But yeah, these earphones are from Studio, and I got sent them recently, which is so exciting. It's the first time I've ever been sent anything by a brand, so I'm so excited about it. I do also have a discount code for you guys if anyone is interested. I will leave it on the screen, but yeah, I really recommend these earphones. They're so good and the sound quality is insane. like you wouldn't believe it, but they really are, and they're just so pretty. And yeah, they came with like this little leather case, and also these coasters, which I thought was kind of random, but I really like them. So yeah, those are those. And this notebook is also from Tiger, I think. I got it for like all my uni projects. Moving on to this side of my desk, and this is the like cute side. I just have to keep my Mac on my desk with my iPad because I use my iPad for like Spotify all of the time. And then over here I just have my makeup bag, brushes, a fake plant and a flamingo, which actually holds like jewellery and earrings and stuff like that, which is really handy. And then in my desk I have this like drawer here, which I won't open because it's a mess, but I just keep all my like eyeshadow palettes and makeup and things that don't go in this bag in here, which is so handy. This drawer here again is just a mess, but it's got like chargers, wires, spare like, I don't know, scissors, sellotape, like all that kind of stuff. And in here is all my folders and books for uni. And then up here is like one of my favourite parts of my whole room. I'll just try and show you these prints without the fairy lights reflecting onto them. These are both from Desenio, and I've seen so many people getting sent stuff from Desenio or working with Desenio, so I decided to go on there myself and have a look. I did pay for these. I got this one, which is like 2 flowers. I don't really know what flowers they are. They're both 2 flowers, but this one's a smaller version and this one's the bigger version. I just think they look so cool because my wall is kind of like slanted, so yeah, it just works really well. I do also have some fairy lights here, which are pink, but annoyingly right before I filmed this video, one of the batteries like blew up, so I can't use them right now because I don't have enough batteries for them, which is such a shame, but they look so pretty when they're on. Moving over here, I just have my radiator and like a mini aero which came with the room. I haven't used it, but it's there in case I need it, which I guess is kind of handy. And then finally over here I have my chest of drawers. These drawers are not all full because I had way more storage than I thought I would. So yeah, I don't need all this space, but I do have extra drawers if I need them. And then up here I just have my TV, which again I had in my room last year. I've not used it a great deal because we sit in the living room so much, but yeah, it's just there. Again, I've got another coaster from Studio, and then I've just got a room diffuser, which is Madagascar vanilla, room spray even, which smells insane, makes my room smell so nice. And then over here I have my cactuses, which I had last year, and they are grateful for seeing the sunlight from my window, which is there because they didn't really get a great deal of sunlight over the summer. So that's everything for my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a massive thumbs up. Make sure to let me know what other kind of uni related videos you want to see from me now that I'm back and hopefully have a little bit more time to film some videos. And yeah, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you again very soon with another video. Bye!